Who, what, when, where, how, why. Do you know what these words mean and how to use them? In this lesson, I'll teach you. Welcome back to Lingoni English. My name is Emily, and in this lesson, I will teach you how to use question words in English. Let's get started. What are question words? Question words are words we use to ask about things, people, places, time, reason, or ways. They help us get information by asking questions. Let's look at the first word, what. What? What asks about things or actions. What is this? What is this? This is a phone. This is a phone. What is your name? What is your name? You want to know what that person's name is. My name is Emily. What is your name? My name is Emily. What is the weather like today? What is the weather like today? You want to know how the weather is. What is it like? The weather is sunny and warm today. The weather is sunny and warm today. Who? Who? Who helps us talk about people. You use it when you want to know about a person. Who is she? Who is she? You want to know who that person is. You want to know that person's identity. She is my friend. She is my friend. Who is that? Who is that? That's my mom. That's my mom. Who am I talking to? Who am I talking to? You want to know who is on the other end of the phone call. I'm talking to my husband. I'm talking to my husband. The next one is where. Where. It is not pronounced where, it is where. Where helps find places or locations. When you need to know about a place, use where. Where is the park? Where is the park? You want to know the park's location. The park is next to the bank. Where is my phone? Where is my phone? I'm looking for my phone. Ah, it's in my hand. Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm going home. I'm going home. Next we have when. When. When talks about time or occasions. You use it to know about the timing of something. When is the party? When is the party? You want to know the time of the party. The party is at 7 o'clock. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? This means on what day were you born? My birthday's on April 7th. My birthday's April 7th. When did you meet him? When did you meet him? At what time did you meet him? Oh, I met him yesterday. I met him yesterday. Next we have how. How. How talks about ways or methods. It helps you understand how something is done. How do I cook pasta? How do I cook pasta? You want to know the process. You boil the pasta in water for 11 minutes. How do I learn more English? How do I learn more English? I want to learn more English, but I need help. You can go to lingoni.com and use the Lingoni English app. How do you spell your name? How do you spell your name? Tell me the letters you need to spell your name. My name is spelled E-M-I-L-Y. E-M-I-L-Y is how you spell my name. Last word of today is why. Why? Why is looking for reasons or explanations. It helps you understand why something happens. Why is she sad? Why is she sad? You want to know the reason for her sadness. She's sad because her dog is sick. Why are you so tired? Why are you so tired? You want to know the reason for this person's tiredness. I'm tired because I didn't sleep well. Why is he late? Why is he late? You want to know the reason he didn't come on time. He's late because he drove too slowly. All right, those are the question words in English. Try writing a few sentences of your own using these words. It's great practice to come up with ideas of your own using the new vocabulary. If you want a little more help, you can find it at lingoni.com. There, we have an English app that will help you take your English from A1 all the way to B2 with lessons, vocab sessions, podcasts, worksheets, interactive exercises, and more. We'll see you there.